Hi, welcome back to Life Skills Videos. In this video, I'm going to teach you now how to fill out the envelope to send your personal or business letter in. So in the left-hand corner of the envelope, you would write your name and your address. So let's call you Stephanie Anderson. And then you would write, make sure you can see that. Then you would write the address under that. So we'll just go with 123 Main Street. Make sure you put your periods and commas in the address that need to be in there. Otherwise, the post office may not get your send your letter to the correct location if there's not periods and commas. Let's say that's New York City, New York. And whatever the zip code is, we'll say 48834. And then down here, starting over here, you would write their address. So let's say we're sending it to John Doe, of course. That's who our letter was to. John Doe, and he lives at 123 Everywhere Street. Or let's put drive so you know how to do drive. DR period is drive. And let's say he lives in Fairmount, New Jersey. So you'd put a comma after Fairmount. And J for New Jersey, 53065. There is that. And your address at the other top. Now, if you're sending this to a business, you would put the business name up here or in place of John Doe. But it may be to the business and in care of John Doe. In that essence, you would put the business name above John Doe, and you would put C/0O. So this means in care of John Doe, and then the address, and then your stamp goes up here in the right corner. And that is stamp postage. And that is all there is to making out an envelope to send your letter in. Now your letter, to send it, as we wrote earlier, you would fold it in thirds. Usually I like to go to the circles, the little holes in the sides. And then you place it in the envelope. You can fold it down a little bit smaller if you would like. And then lick it and stick it, stamp it, and it's ready to go. Thank you so much for seeing us today, and come back and let me know what kind of videos you want to see and need to know how to do. And please subscribe and like the video and share. Thank you so much.